Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to install CoinGecko application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started and get that official CoinGecko app on your mobile device. First of all, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you're inside these stores, go to the search bar and type in CoinGecko and search. Look for the CoinGecko application that says CoinGecko Crypto Tracker, this one over here from CoinGecko, and then tap on Get or the Install button. Wait for the application to download inside your mobile device, which will take a couple of minutes. Before installing, make sure that you are installing the correct application. The application's name is CoinGecko and the developer is CoinGecko itself, and the app looks like a green gecko logo. Once you have the app installed, tap on Open and you have successfully downloaded and installed CoinGecko application on your smartphone. You can now go ahead and create a new account or log into your existing account and get started. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.